Welcome back to Bhargav Shorthand Classes. We have completed prefixes chapter. Now let us go for suffixes. SUFFIXES, suffixes. What we were discussing about prefix, fixing something before. Suffix, fixing something after. Right? So, as we have identified on that day when we were dealing with prefixes, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is falling side 1, 2 and 3, and this we have fixed. If it is a circle, that becomes self-con. Okay. Now there is another place here which we can utilize at the bottom. Right? Till now, we were dealing with ing. Suffix means basically that is ing. We have a consonant ing. This is ing. Where consonant ing is not possible to write, we need some alternative. That alternative is by way of dot. A dot at the end of the stroke represents ing. A dot at the end of the, rather at the bottom of the stroke represents ing. Now let us deal with it, how it goes in different formats. 1. Dot ing is used dash after straight light downstrokes. After straight light downstrokes, dotting is used. Paying, P dotting. Tying, T dotting. Itching, through the line, dotting. After straight light downstrokes. Right? Number 2. After NS circle and when K or gay hooked with F or V. After NS circle, bouncing, B, NS circle. After this, ing is not possible, so dotting. Bouncing, chancing, chanced circles dotting, as well after K or G hooked finally for F or B, caving, KV hook dotting, craving, curvy hook dotting, here you can state dancing, D inside circles dotting. Graphing, Gar F hook dotting, right? So after NS circle, there is no chance for writing stroking. In the same way, after F, K or G hooked for F or V, there is no chance for writing dotting, stroking. So we are implementing dotting. Now, third one, after straight upstrokes hooked for, rather finally hooked, dotting is used. Straight upstrokes. What are straight upstrokes? Ray, V, A, upward H, right? Raining, ray and hook dotting. Waving, wavy hook dotting. Yarning, A and hook dotting. Honing, upward H and hook dotting. Done? Next comes after employing, halving or doubling principle, where no angle is formed, dotting is used. No angle after employing halving or doubling principle. So, fielding, F downward halved thickened, then dotting. Brooding, barhalved, dotting. After employing halving principle, we cannot write through the line. Promoting, per M halved dotting. Right? Now, fifth one. After Gromlocks, dotting is used. Putting, it all depends on your convenience, of course. For having Gromlock, curved stroke, thick stroke, for that we write only stroking. Generally for straight strokes and halving principle, for cutting, A halved dotting. Right? Now, In case of plural forms, another important, interesting concept. In case of plural forms with ing, plural forms with ing, that is, if it comes as ings, in such case, instead of dot, it is replaced with dash. Followed dash. Plotting, followed dash. Windings, wherever ings come, dash is implemented. Scrappings, right? This is suffixes.